In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable flows in ManyChat. We're going to pause automation for contacts by adding a simple action inside a flow. Start on the Home tab of your ManyChat dashboard so you have a clear starting point. From there, look to the left-hand sidebar and find the Automations section. This is where your flows and automations live. So clicking Automation will open the library you'll be working from. Next, open the flow you want to modify. I'll use a sample automation for this walkthrough, but you can pick any flow that fits your use case. When the flow builder opens, you'll see the canvas where your messages and steps are laid out. Double-click on an empty space in the canvas to bring up the Quick Add menu. This is a fast way to insert new steps without searching through multiple panels. Choose the option to add actions. You may see a prompt to add an action block, and then inside that block, click the plus action button. This opens a list of all the actions you can trigger inside a flow. Select the automation category to narrow the options to automation-related controls. Scroll through the list and look for Pause All Automation. This is the key action that stops flows and rules for the contact who reaches this step. After selecting it, you'll be asked to set how long to pause. Click where it says Select Amount of Time. You'll see duration choices. Choose forever if you want the contact's automation to remain paused indefinitely. This is often used for opt-outs, escalations to a human, or when you need to prevent overlapping sequences. Keep in mind, forever means automation won't resume for that contact unless you add a resume action somewhere else or manually intervene later. With the action configured, connect it to your flow. Drag a connector from the step where you want automation to stop into the new Pause All Automation action. Placing it right after a confirmation message or a specific user response ensures anyone who reaches that point will have all automation paused immediately. That's it. You navigated to automation, opened your flow, added an action, chose automation, selected Pause All Automation, set the duration to forever, and connected the action into your flow. As a tip, label the action clearly so teammates understand why automation stops there, and test with a non-critical contact to confirm the behavior matches your intent. This approach gives you precise control over when flows should halt, protecting your audience from unwanted messages and preventing conflicts with other automations.